What's going on, YouTube?
What's up, guys?
Dwight's here with us today, or tonight, anyways.
Yeah.
Just had to drop in, make sure my boys over here getting their work done.
Jeez, okay. Yeah, you're the one hindering us. We're making a short video showing the upcoming project on Jonathan's Jeep.
Yeah, new project starting. Casey's about halfway done with everything on his. So.
Same update as it was, a month ago.
Man, I got the gauges in.
Okay, whatever.
So, I got tired of waiting. No, I'm just kidding. The plan was shortly after doing the LS swap to put coilovers, which then turned into fuel cell and some sweet new hydro bump stops. The coilovers I got from an Instagram follower who hit us up, who was kind of parting out a project. So I got those, and the fuel cell from him. Bump stops came from Wide Open Designs.
Yeah, that's because he has people that loves him for Christmas.
Yeah. He's got family that actually cares and actually orders him Christmas presents.
Shout out to my wife. Hey, you just make your list real short. One item, you get what you want.
Doesn't matter if the one item's $600 or $6,000, as long as it's short.
So yeah, we got all that stuff, and ended up getting a hold of a 05 Plus 60.
Dang, 60. Here's the plan for that. It's going to get Barnes 4-wheel drive, low profile truss, Barnes 4-wheel drive weld-on high steer arms, Yukon gears, Yukon axle shafts, Yukon Grizzly locker. And the rear, we're doing a 4-link with all Barnes 4-wheel drive links, heims, brackets. Also going to do a rear truss on the Sterling 10.5.
Now you're going to do a full truss?
No, I'm just going to do the little short.
Mini short?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
Yeah.
pretty nice truss.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
Very
then
nice.
that old factory gas tank's got to come out.
Factory gas tank's got to go, so it's getting a fuel cell. That's a moto-built fuel cell for a TJ, which takes the same fuel sending unit as a 97 Plus XJ. And we've talked about this in a previous video. I got to figure out the wiring to make the sending unit work so that my gauge reads correctly.
Got that beautiful Barnes mount.
Yeah, that thing's slick.
Yeah, I almost messed it up that day. I threw that gas tank.
Yeah, right on top of my fresh paint.
Yeah, fresh paint just out there, still sticky. Jonathan had to sand it down, repaint it.
Mm-hmm.
No, I went over it real quick. And I
Yeah.
dusted it.
Soaked her down real good.
Yeah, you can see it right there, don't worry.
It's a big project to do, but it's has been coming for a hot minute, and I mean,
It needs it.
It really does.
the Jeep's getting unpredictable, so it really needs some
and it's
transmission
crazy.
work.
The
Power is just hard to keep on the ground.
The coilovers, or the coil springs and the leaf springs are
Yeah, now it's no more.
They're just not happy.
they're well used. They're very tired, and with the amount of power this thing makes with the LS in it, it is too much for the suspension that's under it. I mean, the thing lives bottomed out. Whatever.
And when it's
But I mean, for what it is, it's not.
it does also.
It rides good until
You
It ain't
lay into it. You lay into it, and it's
Yeah.
just it's going. You don't
Yeah.
know if it's going left, right, up, down, or
So
backwards.
I mean, the biggest thing is that we've got to put some suspension under it that is tunable. That is
something you can work with.
Yeah.
something that well, not only that though. I mean, the reservoirs, they got high, low, or soft, hard settings.
Yeah.
That's awesome. That
It's gonna be pretty
Radflo's
neat.
pretty badass when it comes to that stuff. I mean, ain't no race runner.
yeah, and these are
Ain't no
actually
Kings either, man. I feel poor now, Jonathan, over here with these Radflos, and I got
my used coilovers. The 16s are going in the rear. The 14s are going in the front. The bump stops are going in the front unless I buy 2 more for the rear.
You might as well. I mean, you're doing it.
Yeah. So that's the plan over the next coming probably months. I'll get this thing moved hopefully soon. My Jeep will go in the back of the shop, and the front axle gets tore out of it. We'll do the front axle swap and then start working on the 4-link in the rear. This will be the first time we've done a 4-link. It'll be
It's gonna take some math.
Yeah, well, this will be a learning experience for us. So if any of you guys out there are like, "Hey, I got all the measurements for an XJ,"
Well, I mean, now it's funny too because it's going to be thinking that the front's going to be the easiest part of this coilover setup. The rear's what's going to,
Yeah,
actually
It's gonna take
suck.
some work. Let's just do the. Oh, that looks good. Tack it.
Yeah, that's a triangle, ain't it?
Yeah.
But I mean, other than that,
So yeah, it's getting
Now we're gonna do a single or rear in the.
Probably
a single or double.
probably double triangle.
Gonna do a double.
Yeah, as long as I can make the math work on the links and everything, but I'm pretty sure it's doable. My biggest concern is going to be with the upper links and the floorboard.
Yeah.
Whether I have to cut them or bend the links to make that
I would
work.
try to keep them straight if I could.
Yeah. But Brad ended up pushing his through the floorboard where the seat used to be in the back. And he said he wished he would have bent his because now he can't put a back seat in it. And I mean, really, if bending, if you're bending the upper link in the rear, how much stress is that link going to be under?
That's very true.
In reverse, I could see it pushing and wanting to fold, but going forward, it's going to be pulling against the top. So
Oh yeah.
I don't know.
Just
That's
have to
all.
play with it and see.
hey,
We
this is,
gotta figure that out.
Yeah, it's new territory, so we'll figure that out as we go.
Yeah.
We've done
We've come
good
this far.
far.
Yeah,
So
A lot
I
of
think
firsts.
We can handle it.
a lot of firsts here in this rig, but it seems to be working well. So, all right, so that's the update. Not a whole lot has changed with this unit. We got the gauges wired up.
Yeah, and get the console built so I can get this floorboard fixed, and we got the gauges in. I'd like to see them lit up.
Yeah, for sure.
See how they are. I think Jonathan's been working on the steering wheel adapter.
Yeah, I got to get that. I think I've changed my mind on how I want to do it.
Oh,
Instead of running 3 bolts, I think I want to drill out the small bolt holes and tap them
I got you.
and run 6 bolts in it.
And get the seat back together. All right, y'all. That's it.
Thanks for watching.
Y'all stay tuned, and hopefully before too awful long, we'll see you out on the trail. See y'all.
Peace.
Peace. Gold chain.
Should be funny as hell.
Because I got all my parts up here, and he wants to be like one of them rappers with the
Yeah, tell
gold
me.
chain.
When he was laying all this stuff out, I was like, how cool.
Look. Yeah. I know better than that because I know what's going to end up at the end.
Oh, it's not recording.
Bullshit.